नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। JBN मीनाक्षी सोनी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रेपर्टरी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. This is my session number 26. The topic is advantage and disadvantage of BTPP, Bonninghausen Therapeutic Pocket Book. The advantage of therapeutic pocketbook are: it is first advantage, it is based upon the concept of complete symptom. The complete symptom is completed by the location, sensation, modality, concomitant. It follow more or less or anatomical schema which is helpful for the finding out the rubric. By applying the doctrine of analogy, rubric can be completed even though there is lack of any of the four parts of the symptom. Five gradation system of medicine are the one of the unique contribution of Bonninghausen repertory. This repertory has given then Kent's repertory, and modalities are given under the separate section. Amelioration are also given importance to the Kent repertory. This repertory is useful in the working out cases which are more particular and which contain few mental general, physical general case manifested by the pathological changes and objective symptoms can better deal by BTPP. Rubrics are given in sample language. Chapter relationship of remedies is helpful for finding out the prescription or the second prescription. रिलेशनशिप ऑफ रेमेडीज जो सेक्शन है इसमें 141 रेमेडीज दी हुई हैं जिनके हेल्प से आप जो है एंटीडोट, फॉलोवेल, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, इनिमिकल मेडिसिन की स्टडी कर सकते हैं. The sites of the body are given importance. They are mentioned in that location chapter. The extremities are divided into upper and lower extremities, which is helpful for finding out the rubric very easily. Disadvantage of BTPP: deal with only 342 remedies. That is given by H. A. Robert. In original book of Bonninghausen Therapeutic Pocket Book, total number of medicines 126. In Allen's edition, this is dropped 4 remedies: Angustra, Magnetis polus, Articus, Magnetis polus australis, Magnetis polyumbo, and added to 20 remedies. The rubric given in the book are not many in number. Less number of rubrics are given and less number of medicines are present in BTPP. So that is one big drawback or disadvantage of the BTPP therapeutic pocket book. Many of rubric lack important medicines. Desire for salt, netrompimir is not mentioned. मैनी ऑफ रूब्रिक जो है उनमें जो पर्टिकुलर उनकी मेडिसिन होनी चाहिए वो नहीं है, जैसे कि डिजायर फॉर सॉल्ट, ये बहुत कॉमन सी मेडिसिन है, नेट्रम्यूर, जो हर जगह आपको मिलेगी लेकिन यहाँ पर अवेलेबल नहीं है. माइंड सेक्शन में 18 रूब्रिक है, अंडर दी माइंड सेक्शन 17 रूब्रिक है इंटेलेक्ट सेक्शन में. These rubrics are too general and can only be used only as a reference purpose. The concept that a symptom that refers to a part may be predicted of whole man doctrine of analogy is not correct under many circumstances. Though prime importance is given to the concomitant symptoms, there is no separate chapter for them. कॉन्कोमिटेंट सिम्टम सबसे पहले बॉर्निंघसन ने बताया था, बट उन्होंने अपनी रिपर्टरी में इसको बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दी है. कोई पर्टिकुलर सेपरेट चैप्टर नहीं है इसके लिए. मॉडलिटीज जो है वो भी इसमें दी गई हैं, बट उनमें भी कहीं कहीं डिफेक्ट है. कंस्ट्रक्शन इसका थोड़ा सा डिफेक्टिव है, जैसे इंटरनल हेड एंड कर रहा है. पेज नंबर 26 में अगेन स्टार्ट हो रहा है 29 से, ऐसे ही एक्सटर्नल हेड एंड कर रहा है 29 पे और अगेन 30 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. Rubrics that might have been placed under the sensation are given under the parts of the body, toothache, under the teeth, and stopped feeling in the ear. There is no fixed arrangement of rubrics. Their relationship section deals with the only 141 remedies. There are many misplaced rubrics. जैसे vertigo is given in the intellect, perineum given in the chapter stool. Different sensation are given specifically, but in practice, many patients do not specify their sensation. This book lack information about the sarcode and nosode also. Thank you. The session is completed. My reference books are The Essential of Repertorization by Dr. Shishikant Tiwari, Repair by Dr. Khanaj. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it quickly. Thank you.